Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to activate your Zara gift card for 2025. Whether it's a birthday gift or a self-treat, activating it is quick and hassle-free, letting you dive into Zara's latest fashion trends without delay. Let's jump right in. First off, grab your Zara gift card and flip it over. You'll find a unique activation code or number. Treat this like your golden ticket. Make sure it's clean and readable to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Fire up your device and head to the official Zara website or open the Zara app. It's optimized for 2025, so everything should load smoothly. If you don't have an account, sign up quickly. It's free and only takes a minute. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Gift Cards section in your account dashboard. Look for a button that says Activate Gift Card or something similar. Zara's interface is user-friendly, so you won't get lost. Step 3. Enter the code from your gift card into the designated field. Take a second to double-check for typos, as accuracy is key. You might also need to add your gift card details like the amount or expiration date if prompted. Step 4. Hit the Submit or Activate button. The system will process it instantly, and you'll see a confirmation page. Yay, your card is now live. Finally, start shopping. Use your activated gift card on Zara's website, in-app, or in-store for that 2025 collection. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Zara's customer support. They're always helpful. There you have it, folks. Activating your Zara gift card is easier than ever. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more everyday tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.